everybody. So to create the block code with the Blockly, here is your workspace, and this is the challenge that you have to do. This up here will tell you what your goal is. So this is code blocks to program the Ozobot to go home, and this tells you what level you're on. So in order to get the block code, we're going to click over here where it says line navigation, and it'll bring up a piece of block code for us. And this one says follow the line to next intersection or line end. And then we're going to click run. There we go. And now we're ready to go on to the next level. This is where it gets a little tricky. So what we're going to do here is the same thing. So the goal is program Ozobot to travel home without making any extra stops. Now for this one, I'm not going to do exactly what you need to do because I want you to figure it out. What I am going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually choose the pieces of block code. So here's where Ozobot starts. This is his home, no extra stops. I'm going to click line navigation and you see two pieces of code that pops up. So we're going to choose the first piece of code that we want. Then we're going to click line navigation again, and then we're going to drag it up so it connects. So what I chose first was follow line to next intersection or line end, and then pick direction. And this is where I'm going to change the variable. So I want him to go straight. I'm going to actually see right. So I'm going to click run. And it didn't work. So, because otherwise I would get that big hurrah. So that's just something to keep in mind, that every time as it gets harder, you need to choose the piece of block code you want to use. And so you have to look at them, and then you're going to drag it to where you want it in the workspace and make sure you connect it. Otherwise your code won't work. It needs to be a series that's connected. Okie dokie. Have fun.